Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful painting with alcohol ink and acrylic, and for this the paper I'm using is ultra premium from Staples, which is high gloss. And to blend the alcohol inks I use this 91% isopropyl alcohol I got from pharmacy store, and I use this pitch black ink to start with the alcohol ink, and I use the back side of the photo paper to make the painting. So first you add drops of pitch black and then you blend it with isopropyl alcohol and just blow it with this blower. I got this blower from Amazon, and you can search by silicone craft blower from Amazon and you can find that, and you can easily blow the alcohol ink with this blower. It's very easy. And basically what we are doing is we are blending pitch black ink and with isopropyl alcohol, and you can see many colors coming through that. It is quite normal because pitch black is mixed with so many other colors, and when you blend it you get to see the beautiful texture with multiple colors, and it gives a kind of abstract effect to the painting. So I let that background layer dry a little bit, and then I'm using this thin Sharpie to draw the stems of the flowers. And I use acrylic paints, pink, magenta, and this violet. So basically purple and violet, purple and the magenta I'm using. And I also use white to mix the colors. And we are making flowers using the acrylic paints. And the reason for using white is that you get multiple shades, light and dark flowers when you mix. you.